Good morning. It is Monday, January 6th, and this is Jack Mackinson, and this is a series of videos on an operating system that's called Linux Mint. Linux Mint um, is an alternative to Microsoft Windows, and the operating system is free, and it's much faster uh, than Microsoft Windows. And what I would like to do today is go through some of the programs that I use on my laptop. Now, over here I have a program running. It's called Acid Rip. Now, Acid Rip is a program that allows me to rip DVDs to my hard drive and then burn them to a DVD later on, or watch them again on my hard drive. Okay, let's go through it real quick. The first one we're going to talk about is called LastPass. LastPass is used in my browser, and it's this icon right here. What it allows me to do is I can go to websites that I have, and instead of entering my username and password, it automatically does that for me. And this is very protected. It's 256-bit encryption, which I believe is the highest at this time. Alright, let's go on to the next one. The last one is called BleachBit. Now, BleachBit is a program that cleans up my hard drive, and it erases all temporary files, all erroneous files that I no longer need on my hard drive to make it run smoother and faster. Let's see, the next one is called Timeship. Timeship is a backup program that I use to back up my files onto my hard drive, and then I transfer those files to an external hard drive in case my computer crashes, and I can restore it from that file. I've already got three backups, so I'm not going to run it again, and that's called Timeshift. The fourth one is called Codename, and that's the program I'm using now to record my desktop and create videos to upload to YouTube. Okay, let's go to the next one. Number 5 is called Terminator. Terminator is a command program that allows me to make changes to what I call the basement of the operating system, and I'll show you how that works right now. And I'll show you how to use it. Here is the actual command prompt showing that I had gone into what they call super user mode, and I used the command sudo su, and then I put in my password. Now I want to completely wipe my hard drive clean of all free space, and what I do for that is I use a program that's called fstrim, and here's the code for it. So I copy that, then I go back to the terminal, paste it in, and let it run. So I'm going to let that run in the background and move on to some other programs I use. The next one is called 4K Video Downloader, and what this program allows me to do is I can go to YouTube and I can select a video. What I do is I copy the URL and I open up 4K, I paste the link, and it's downloading it right now to my hard drive. Okay, let's move on. The next one, number 7, is called Budai. Budai is a personal budget manager that I use to manage my finances, and it has both liability, and it also has, oh okay, here we go, the program, the video I downloaded from 4K is done, so I'll close that out. And this is all my liabilities and income and things like that, and that's how that works. Okay, the other one, number 8, is called OpenShot. OpenShot is a video editor, and I'm going to open it up. And I want to add a file. And I'll go to my videos. I'll go to YouTube. Nothing there. I'll go back. I'll go to sort. And here's one. It's called DR Home Intense. I'll open it. And what I do is I drag the video down to the timeline. And I can run it. A little too loud. Well, anyhow, I can edit it, I can cut clips, I can join it, and then what I do is what they call rendering, and make a new, entirely different new video that's been edited by me. Okay, I do not want to save it. Let's move on. Okay, the other one, number 9, is called Pix. Pix is a photo manager, and it displays, and I can manage all my pictures, and I can open them one individually at a time and move on. And I can also edit the pictures. I can crop them and fine-tune them, and that's called Pix. Okay. Number 10 is called Libra Office. Libra Office is a replacement for Microsoft Office. Now, I use a program that's called Libra Office. As a matter of fact, this is the program I'm using right now, and it's similar to Word. And I can make documents, create them, and edit them. And there's other parts of LibreOffice, and I'll show you what they are now. There's LibreCalc, which is comparable to Microsoft Excel. Impress is same as PowerPoint in Microsoft Office programs. And I have everything I need to do that. Okay, let's move on. Okay, number 11 is called GParted. GParted is a disk manager. And what this allows me to do is to create new partitions on my hard drive, and it allows me to look at my disk space. Now this one is my hard drive. It's an SSD drive, a solid state drive. And then I also have my external hard drive, which is 80 gigabytes. And I can unmount it and then reformat it to either FAT32 or NTFS, so I can repartition them and build new files on it. Okay, let's move on. Okay, number 12 is called Synaptic Manager. Synaptic Manager is a program that I use to install software programs. Okay, I'm going to do a search, and let's say I want to install Red Notebook, which is a journal. Let's see if it finds it. No. Let me try a different syntax. It's not finding it. So what I'm going to do is refresh the repository, and it's going to search the internet for the actual notebook itself. No, it's not finding it. Okay, well, anyhow, it's not finding that because it's not in the repository, but most of my programs are, and I can install them through this program called the Synaptic Package Manager. Alright, let's move on. Okay, number 13 is K3B. K3B is a program that allows me to make CDs and DVDs, and I can make data projects, an audio project, or just copy one DVD to another, and that's called K3B. Okay, FS trim, I already showed you that. That's where I went into the terminal and cleaned up the free space. And we already went over Acid Rip, which is a program that allows me to rip movie DVDs to my hard drive or to make a new DVD for my collection. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back later, maybe in a week or two, for a new tutorial.